Hey, it's nice to finally have some quiet time together. How's your day been?
Yeah, it's great to just relax with you. My day's been hectic, but seeing you makes it all better. How about you?
Same here. Work's been crazy, but I've been looking forward to this all day. So, tell me, what's been on your mind lately?
Well, I've been thinking a lot about my future lately. I'm not sure where I want to go next in my career, you know?
I get that. But hey, whatever path you choose, I'll be right there beside you, cheering you on.
That means a lot to me. You've always been so supportive. I feel like I can really be myself around you.
Will your parents accept me? What do you think?
I talked about you with my parents, and they just want two things in a boy. First thing is he should be good in nature, and second one is he should be well settled.
I'll surely try to become as your parents wanted me. I just want to buy a 3 BHK house, but it is taking a little longer than expected. Once I'll be done with it, I'll come to talk to your parents on my own.
Sure, I believe in you. You're so talented as far as I know you. If you want something, you achieve that by executing it properly. The best thing about you is you always respect others and be focused in your work whatever you do. Hope you achieve your dream house in no time.
Of course, babe. You're also amazing just the way you are. And speaking of amazing, I can't stop thinking about that trip we took last summer. Remember how we watched the sunset together?
Oh, how could I forget? It was so romantic, just like you. I love how you always know how to make me feel special.
Well, you make it easy. You bring out the best in me, you know? I can't imagine my life without you.
Wow, that's so sweet. I feel the same way about you. You're my rock, my safe haven in this crazy world.
And you're my everything, my sunshine on the darkest days. I love you more than words can say.
I love you too, with all my heart.
What did you like to have here? Shall I order 2 cappuccino?
Sure, I love that. We'll talk after ordering.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir. What would you like to have, sir?
2 cappuccinos, please.
Sure. Anything else I can get you?
No, just 2 cappuccino for now. After this, we'll order something else.
No problem. Your cappuccinos will arrive in just a few minutes.
Sure.
Where will you go from this shop?
I'll go to home and take some rest. There is a lot of pressure on me given by my boss. Not a big issue, I can handle it.
If you need anything, you can contact me. We'll complete work together. Let's promise to always be there for each other, no matter what life throws our way.
Agreed. Cheers to us, to this moment, and to many more adventures together.
Cheers, my love. Here's to us.